Hello everyone, my name is Dasha and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make these trendy clay dishes. So let's start. For this video I use this Thema Basic Air clay. I think it will be perfect. Let's open it. I'm so excited. No way. It's brown. It's
brown.
no. Oh no. Guys, it's brown. I don't know if I can make with brown clay. Okay, let's try it. Let's make a circle. Look. I really like Thema clay. And let this circle. Let's put it here. We need to cut like this very carefully. Let's see what I have here. Wow, I like it. It looks pretty normal. Okay, I don't know what happened to me, but now I want to make a mug. I don't know how to make mugs, but just try. I don't know. First I'm going to make a circle. Also, I made this beautiful dish for this, I don't know how to call it, like sticks. And I think that it will be perfect. And I really like them. And I'm gonna let them stay for a few hours or for a day, I don't know. I'll wait for a day and they become sticky, and I'm going to color now. For paint I use basic acrylic paint. I'm in my house now, as you know, and I've been editing it, and I really want to show you the result because I really like the result and I'm so proud of myself. So 1, 2, 3. Wow, oh my gosh, I really look like a tiny terrarium. I've got moss, rocks. Guys, I want to say thank you very much for watching this video until the end. And also, I want to tell you that please subscribe to my Instagram and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will have a giveaway, a huge giveaway. So subscribe if you haven't done this yet. Goodbye!